Hey everybody, this is Bill from the Bill Heenan Real Estate team at William Ravis Real Estate, and we are looking for a few new good real estate agents. So if you're thinking about getting your real estate license, or if you already have your license and you're thinking about making a move, we'd love to have you stop by our new agent and experienced agent orientation here at our new London Training and Call Center on Thursday evening, May 4th. Just click that button down below and we'll send you the details of the event. And you could also reach out to me directly on my cell phone at 860-850-2697. You know, we're very fortunate to be William Ravis's second largest producing team in the country with almost $200 million in production and 600 units over the last 2 years. So we think we have a little handle on how to kick your career off and start it headed in the right direction. So once again, reach out to us directly on our website or on my cell phone at 860-850-2697. I always look forward to hearing from you.